I am on mission. I walk up to Mike's house and get a glass of wine for Mom. There's a rock in my shoe. There's a rock in my shoe. I repeat. Rock in my shoe. Converse. Red shoelaces. First off, I have to get the rock out of my shoe. Wait, where'd it go? Oh, maybe it's not there. Oh, yes it is. Shit. Patches. Alright. Whoa. Oh, yeah, that's not so bad. Ooh, it smells bad. Oh, come on. Wow, I just filled it to the rim. That was kind of probably very stupid. I wonder what this tastes like. Oh, fucking... Oh, God, it's horrible. Oh, fuck. God, alcohol is nasty. I don't give a shit what the fuck age I am. Oh, God. Oh. Maybe it's just wine. Maybe it's just wine. Oh my God. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Oh.